Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the support. Keep subscribing. So before I start, I apologize because it's been so long without giving you a new video, but now we are back. We've been preparing very good content, so now we are back. Before I start, let me introduce to our platforms. We use Instagram, we use LinkedIn, and we use WhatsApp. So on all of those platforms, the name is Be Proficient Initiative. Be Proficient Initiative, except here on YouTube. So now we have prepared you our content. It is of 3 parts. I wish you to follow, and then you will learn more and enjoy the video. Let's start. Inshuti. Inshuti. Inshuti yanjye iba muri Kenya. Inshuti yanjye iba muri Kenya. Ndasohokana n'inshuti zanjye. This example, the name of friend, which is called inshuti in Kinyarwanda, it is in plural. This example will be in plural. So now you can see in English, that's it, where you can see it very clearly. So let me again read the sentence. Ndasohokana n'inshuti zanjye. Ndasohokana n'inshuti zanjye. Ndasohokana n'inshuti zanjye. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.